Please, balance up here.
I can't balance. What do you mean I should balance? Stop it. I'm tired.
Balance up, Karadam. You are tired for what?
I said I'm tired. I can't take it anymore.
Take it anymore what? Mele say offload lapha phela basinikeze into kuzeni imali. Uzathi take it anymore ufuna ngiphushele ba.
Even if it's money, I don't care anymore.
Ngile load, ngile promise yemali. You are tired for what?
This distance from where we are coming from that side. You're telling me
ngile customer, manje ngicela ukuthi ngathi ngile customer. So ufuna ukuthi ngenzeni?
I said I'm tired. Can't you hear me? I'm tired. I can't take it anymore. What do you expect me to do?
So ufuna siphile ngani ngoba abantu bathe ngibazameni inkuni basincedise basinikeze. So ufuna senze njani?
Your fault, your business, not mine. Please, I'm
so
tired.
Imali awidingi.
Don't count me in. I'm tired. Make a plan. You're a man. You want to kill me? You brought me to this village to kill me.
Ucabanga ukuthi ngizafuqa lo bantu.
I don't care. I said I'm tired. I'm tired. This man, you want to kill me? Do you know how old I am? Look at your load.
Asambe man.
Oh, go alone. I'm tired. And bring back the money.
Uthatha amakhiye endlini. Uzothatha amakhiye endlini la.
Bring them fast. You can throw them if you like.
Uzothatha amakhiye lapha endlini.
Bring the keys.
Please, ngicela ungunderstand. Please, ngicela ukuthi siphushe lapha sefaka iload basinike imali. Abantu listen, abantu laba le cage, kumele basinike imali yini. But yeah.
This is why you brought me back.
Yeah, but ngithi kule mali ngale kule cage, kumele sofload inkulu lezi abantu basinike imali manje siqhubeke ngempilo. So cha ngithi siza kudlani ke mina, unxa ucabanga.
You know what? If your ears can't hear me properly, you have to make sure you clean them properly. I said I'm tired. No, I'm tired. Do you want me to die of this? Do you want me to die? You want me to die?
Your business, the type of what?
No. These days I always have fatigue. It's because of this or whatever you make me carry. Go proceed alone and bring back the money I told you. I said I'm tired. What's wrong with this man? You are the man of the house. Make sure you fend for the family. Bring back the money. You want to kill me?